Have you ever wondered what really happens to your body when you drift off to sleep? Sleep is not just a time when your body shuts down. It's actually a highly active process that is essential for your health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating science behind sleep, uncovering the changes that take place in your brain and body throughout the night. From the moment you close your eyes, your body begins a complex journey through various sleep stages, each with its own unique functions and benefits. Let's dive in and discover what truly happens when you sleep. Sleep is much more than just rest. It's a vital process that allows your body and mind to recover, repair, and prepare for the next day. Without enough sleep, you may notice problems with memory, mood, and even your immune system. Scientists have found that sleep helps consolidate memories, regulate emotions, and maintain physical health. So, getting quality sleep is crucial for both your mental and physical well-being. As we move forward, let's look at what happens inside your body as you transition from wakefulness to sleep. As you start to feel sleepy, your brain releases chemicals like adenosine that signal it's time to rest. Your body temperature begins to drop, your muscles relax, and your heart rate slows down. These changes help prepare your body for the first stage of sleep. The transition from wakefulness to sleep is gradual, and you may not even notice when you finally drift off. This process is controlled by your circadian rhythm, an internal clock that tells your body when it's time to sleep and wake up. Your circadian rhythm is like a built-in clock that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. It responds to light and darkness in your environment, helping you feel alert during the day and sleepy at night. This rhythm is controlled by a part of your brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which receives signals from your eyes about the amount of light around you. When it gets dark, your brain produces more melatonin, a hormone that makes you feel sleepy. This natural cycle is crucial for healthy sleep patterns. The first stage of sleep is called light sleep. During this stage, you drift in and out of sleep and can be awakened easily. Your eyes move slowly, and your muscle activity decreases. Sometimes, you might experience sudden muscle contractions, known as hypnic jerks. This stage usually lasts for only a few minutes as your body prepares to enter deeper sleep. Light sleep is important because it marks the transition from wakefulness to the more restorative stages of sleep. Stage 2 is a deeper form of sleep where your body temperature drops further, your heart rate slows even more, and your brain begins to produce rhythmic brain waves called sleep spindles. This stage makes up about half of your total sleep time. During stage 2, your body continues to relax and you become less aware of your surroundings. This stage is essential for processing memories and preparing your body for the even deeper stages of sleep that follow. Stage 3 is known as deep sleep or slow wave sleep. In this stage, your brain produces very slow delta waves and it becomes much harder to wake you up. Deep sleep is the most restorative stage, allowing your body to repair tissues, build bone and muscle, and strengthen your immune system. This is also the stage where the body releases growth hormone, which is vital for development and recovery. Deep sleep is especially important for feeling refreshed and energized the next day. REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep, is a unique stage where your brain becomes highly active, almost as if you're awake. Your eyes move rapidly under your eyelids, and most dreaming occurs during this stage. Although your brain is active, your muscles are temporarily paralyzed to prevent you from acting out your dreams. REM sleep is crucial for learning, memory, and emotional processing. It usually occurs about 90 minutes after you fall asleep and repeats several times throughout the night. Throughout the night, your body cycles through these stages of sleep multiple times. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes, and you typically go through 4 to 6 cycles per night. As the night progresses, the amount of deep sleep decreases, while REM sleep periods become longer. This cycling is essential for getting the full benefits of sleep, as each stage plays a unique role in maintaining your health and well-being. Your brain doesn't simply turn off during sleep. In fact, it goes through a series of changes in activity depending on the sleep stage. During deep sleep, brain waves slow down, allowing for physical restoration. In REM sleep, brain activity spikes, supporting memory and learning. These shifts in brain activity are essential for processing information, solving problems, and regulating emotions. Sleep is truly an active time for your brain, even if you're not aware of it. As you move through the stages of sleep, your muscles gradually relax. In deep sleep, your body is at its most relaxed state, allowing for tissue repair and growth. During REM sleep, most of your muscles become temporarily paralyzed, which prevents you from physically acting out your dreams. This muscle relaxation is important for physical recovery and helps you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day ahead. During sleep, your heart rate and breathing slow down, especially in deep sleep. This allows your cardiovascular system to rest and recover from the day's activities. In REM sleep, however, your heart rate and breathing can become irregular, similar to when you're awake. These changes are part of your body's natural way of balancing rest and activity, ensuring that both your heart and lungs get the recovery they need. One of the first things that happens as you fall asleep is a drop in body temperature. This cooling down helps signal to your body that it's time to rest. Your core temperature can drop by as much as 1 or 2 degrees Fahrenheit during the night. This decrease is essential for initiating and maintaining sleep, and it also helps your body conserve energy while you rest. While you sleep, your body releases important hormones that help regulate growth, metabolism, and stress. Growth hormone is released during deep sleep, supporting tissue repair and muscle growth. Melatonin, which helps control your sleep-wake cycle, is produced in response to darkness. Cortisol, the stress hormone, drops to its lowest levels at night and begins to rise before you wake up, preparing your body for the day ahead. Sleep is a powerful booster for your immune system. During deep sleep, your body produces cytokines, proteins that help fight infection and inflammation. This is why you often feel sleepy when you're sick. Your body needs extra rest to recover. Getting enough sleep helps your immune system stay strong, making it easier to fight off illnesses and recover more quickly when you do get sick. One of the most important functions of sleep is memory consolidation. While you sleep, your brain processes and organizes information from the day, transferring memories from short-term to long-term storage. REM sleep is especially important for this process, helping you learn new skills and retain important information. This is why a good night's sleep can help you remember what you studied or practiced the day before. Sleep also plays a crucial role in regulating your emotions. During REM sleep, your brain processes emotional experiences, helping you cope with stress and maintain a balanced mood. Lack of sleep can make you more irritable, anxious, or even depressed. By getting enough rest, you give your brain the chance to reset and better handle the challenges of daily life. While you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Cells throughout your body work to fix damage caused by stress, UV rays, and other environmental factors. This repair process is most active during deep sleep, when growth hormone levels are highest. By allowing your body time to heal, sleep helps you stay healthy and recover from daily wear and tear. Sleep has a big impact on your metabolism and appetite. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more ghrelin, a hormone that makes you feel hungry, and less leptin, which signals fullness. This imbalance can lead to overeating and weight gain. On the other hand, getting enough sleep helps regulate these hormones, supporting a healthy metabolism and appetite. During sleep, your brain's glymphatic system becomes more active, clearing out waste products that build up during the day. This detoxification process is essential for brain health and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. By giving your brain time to clean itself, sleep helps you stay sharp and focused. Dreams are one of the most mysterious aspects of sleep. Most dreaming occurs during REM sleep, when your brain is highly active. Scientists believe that dreaming helps process emotions, solve problems, and even boost creativity. While not all dreams are remembered, they play an important role in your mental and emotional health. Sleep paralysis is a phenomenon that can occur when you're falling asleep or waking up. During REM sleep, your muscles are temporarily paralyzed to prevent you from acting out your dreams. Sometimes, this paralysis can linger as you wake up, leaving you unable to move for a few seconds or minutes. While it can be frightening, sleep paralysis is usually harmless and goes away on its own. Sleepwalking, or somnambulism, happens during the deep stages of sleep. It involves getting up and moving around while still asleep. Sleepwalkers usually have no memory of their actions. This condition is more common in children and can be triggered by stress, sleep deprivation, or certain medications. Most sleepwalking episodes are harmless, but safety precautions should be taken to prevent injury. Sleep talking, or somniloquy, is another sleep phenomenon that can occur during any stage of sleep. It involves speaking or making sounds while asleep, often without any awareness. Sleep talking is usually harmless and temporary, but it can sometimes be a sign of stress or sleep disorders. Most people who talk in their sleep don't remember doing so. Nightmares are vivid, disturbing dreams that usually occur during REM sleep. Night terrors, on the other hand, happen during deep sleep and involve sudden feelings of fear, screaming, or thrashing. Night terrors are more common in children and are often not remembered the next day. Both nightmares and night terrors can be triggered by stress, anxiety, or sleep deprivation. Sleep is especially important for children and teenagers because it supports growth and development. Growth hormone is released during deep sleep, helping build bone, muscle, and other tissues. This is why kids and teens need more sleep than adults. Getting enough rest during these years is crucial for healthy physical and mental development. As we age, our sleep patterns change. Older adults tend to spend less time in deep sleep and may wake up more often during the night. These changes are a normal part of aging, but getting enough quality sleep remains important for memory, mood, and overall health. Good sleep habits can help older adults maintain their well-being and independence. Not getting enough sleep can have serious effects on your body and mind. Sleep deprivation impairs memory, concentration, and decision-making. It can also weaken your immune system, increase your risk of accidents, and contribute to chronic health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Prioritizing sleep is essential for your long-term health and safety. There is a strong link between sleep and mental health. Poor sleep can increase the risk of anxiety, depression, and other mood disorders. On the other hand, getting enough quality sleep can help improve your mood, reduce stress, and support emotional resilience. Taking care of your sleep is an important part of maintaining good mental health. Athletes and active individuals know that sleep is key for peak performance. During sleep, your body repairs muscles, restores energy, and balances hormones. Lack of sleep can lead to slower reaction times, reduced strength, and a higher risk of injury. Prioritizing sleep is just as important as training and nutrition for anyone looking to perform their best. Sleep is also important for creativity and problem solving. During REM sleep, your brain makes new connections between ideas, helping you come up with creative solutions and insights. Many artists, scientists, and inventors have credited sleep and dreams for their breakthroughs. So, if you're stuck on a problem, a good night's sleep might be just what you need. There are many different sleep disorders that can affect your ability to get restful sleep. Common disorders include insomnia, sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and narcolepsy. These conditions can disrupt your sleep cycles and lead to daytime fatigue, mood changes, and health problems. If you have trouble sleeping, it's important to talk to a healthcare professional. Insomnia is a common sleep disorder that makes it hard to fall asleep, stay asleep, or get enough restful sleep. It can be caused by stress, anxiety, poor sleep habits, or medical conditions. Chronic insomnia can lead to daytime fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Improving your sleep environment and routine can help manage insomnia. Sleep apnea is a disorder where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. This can cause loud snoring, choking, and frequent awakenings. Sleep apnea reduces the quality of your sleep and increases the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Treatment may include lifestyle changes, devices, or surgery. Restless leg syndrome, RLS, is a condition that causes uncomfortable sensations in the legs and an urge to move them, especially at night. RLS can make it hard to fall asleep and stay asleep, leading to daytime tiredness. The exact cause is unknown, but it can be managed with lifestyle changes and, in some cases, medication. Narcolepsy is a neurological disorder that affects your ability to regulate sleep and wakefulness. People with narcolepsy may experience sudden sleep attacks during the day, as well as excessive daytime sleepiness and muscle weakness. Narcolepsy can be managed with medication and lifestyle adjustments, but it often requires ongoing care. Getting a good night's sleep starts with healthy habits. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, keep your bedroom cool and dark, and avoid screens before bed. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can also help improve your sleep quality. Your sleep environment plays a big role in how well you rest. Make sure your bedroom is quiet, dark, and cool. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and remove distractions like TVs and smartphones. A peaceful environment helps signal to your brain that it's time to wind down and sleep. Light is one of the most powerful signals for your circadian rhythm. Exposure to natural light during the day helps keep your internal clock on track, while dimming lights in the evening signals your body to prepare for sleep. Avoiding bright screens before bed can help you fall asleep more easily. What you eat and drink can affect your sleep. Caffeine and alcohol can disrupt your sleep cycles, while heavy meals before bed can make it harder to fall asleep. Try to eat a balanced diet and avoid stimulants in the hours leading up to bedtime. Staying hydrated is important, but try not to drink too much water right before sleep. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. However, exercising too close to bedtime can make it harder to wind down. Aim for moderate exercise earlier in the day, such as walking, swimming, or yoga, to support healthy sleep patterns. Naps can be a great way to recharge, but timing is important. Short naps of 20 to 30 minutes can boost alertness and mood without interfering with nighttime sleep. Avoid long or late afternoon naps, as they can make it harder to fall asleep at night. Listen to your body and nap when you really need it. If you regularly have trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, or feel tired during the day, it might be time to seek help. Sleep problems can be caused by medical conditions, stress, or lifestyle factors. A healthcare professional can help you identify the cause and find effective solutions so you can get the restful sleep you need. Sleep is a complex and dynamic process that affects every part of your body and mind. From restoring energy and repairing tissues, to consolidating memories and regulating emotions, sleep is essential for good health. Understanding what happens when you sleep can help you make better choices and prioritize rest in your daily life. Now that you know what happens to your body when you sleep, you can appreciate just how important a good night's rest really is. By understanding the science of sleep, you can take steps to improve your sleep habits and overall health. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity for a happy, healthy life. Make sleep a priority, and your body and mind will thank you.